你教多少人吗？这个可以。你教多少人吗？多少人吗？
你教 or 你家？
你家有。
Yes. No ma. So this is question already. So if have question word, then no ma. Okay. Yes, because it's question already. Yes. So 你家有几口人? So like your family. If word by word, your family has how many people? So 你家有几口人? Again, subject, verb, object. 你家 subject 有 verb 几口人 object, right? 你家有几口人？我家有3口人。Okay, now let's practice use 几 make a question. Okay, try. So these are question. Okay, this is question. Okay, now let's make a good, very good. 你有几个孩子 Right? Yes. So you have how many children? 有的几 Because now family have 1, 2, 3, not 20 children, right? That's why 有的几 Yes. So 你有几个孩子 Answer.
我不有孩子。
不有 Thank you. 没有孩子 Okay? Okay. Next one. Still use 几 make an example. Means how many? Try.
他有几个妹妹
Yes. Correct. 他有几个妹妹 He has how many sisters? Next.
你有几本书
Yes. How many books do you have? Good. Next.
你有几朋友吗？
你有 Yes. Thank you. 你有几个朋友 No ma, okay? 你有几个朋友 Who answer?
我有3个朋友
Yes. Next. 你有几个朋友 Yes. Next. Use 几 make a question.
你有几个学生
Yes. 你有几个学生 Next. So you have how many students? Yeah. Next.
他有几个老师
Yes. 他有几个老师 He has how many teachers? Next.
你 I ask Willie.
Okay. I know what you want to ask.
你家有几个太太？
Yes. Answer.
我有2个太太
Oh wow. You 2 wives.
太太。
Actually, I have one, but
Okay. Yes, correct. Because in some country I know you can have many wives, right? I don't know how many you can have. But in China only can have 1, okay? You have more than 1 is illegal. Really illegal. Okay, next.
I have a question. Well, you want to?
Yes.
So we need a measure word behind G, correct?
Yes.
If I use G, I'm assuming that if I use G, I'm assuming that the quantity is less than 10.
Yeah, usually.
If I'm not sure, should I just use Duoshao?
Yes.
So after Duoshao, do I use a measure word or a noun?
For now, you can use measure word.
After
Then
Duoshao-
you don't need to make so different.
So after Duoshao, I use a noun or a measure word. So I use
Both okay for 多少. That's why 多少 is very flexible.
because we say Duoshao Qian.
Yes.
How much money?
Yes, you are very good. You are very careful, detailed. Yes, correct. So his question is that 几多少 Look, because just we say 你家有几口人 right? So 几口人 This is a measure word. Also just say 几个孩子 So also measure word. So if you use 几 always need to have measure word. But use 多少 doesn't matter. You use measure word without measure word, fine. Okay, so 多少 is very flexible, relax. But 几 yes, have the rules. Yes, that's why now first we practice 几. Okay, two more examples use 几. Try, yes.
我们有几个中文 How to say how many Chinese classes we have?
Yeah, 中文 class. Yes, 我们有几个中文 class. Yes.
你要几个pizza?